Trinidad dancehall artist Medz Boss share a post on his Instagram with Plumpyboss. Then the man put up a picture with some AK and write the caption darkness. Also in this update, people, Vybz Kartel attacking the haters on TikTok. So we have all of them topics there to touch on.
Yeah, I don't want to tell about no this and no that and no badness and anything the dark. That when my man born and go evil in about it. A bill man, a bill from them life, they say it. Who know, and who know, just don't know. You see me? Man, life happier. Life is always happy because you don't know from when it comes Vybz Kartel and I make money and I told the world. My life happy right now, my life happier.
Man, the man tag me and Jayden over here saying a comment that. What we do? I entertain people.
But Vybz Kartel, I never me say that.
I wanna come like a Batman to blood clot.
Yo, wait the Pop. Pop, say about Cartel, him come like what?
I want to look up. Already, baby?
No.
One up your arm. Let's go.
Baby, this is torture. You know it's Cartel.
Where just say about Vybz Kartel? Where just say?
Bad man, tappy fucker, you know, but set me up, you know.
Pop, say if you know where I say about Vybz Kartel, you know, bro. Vybz Kartel, that you know, bro. If you know where I say, bro. You can't say them things about Vybz Kartel, bro. Vybz Kartel at dance, bro. Don't say them things there, Pops. You can't say Vybz Kartel at Batman, bro. Don't say them things there, Pops. Me I tell you, bro.
People, we are going to touch on that in a few. So right about now, Trinidad dancehall artist Medz Boss posted a picture on his Instagram with Plumpyboss and another individual. Medz Boss still a show him loyalty to Plumpyboss despite the situation. Yeah man viewers, Medz Boss always a post up Plumpyboss. Medz Boss always a let you know say yo, big up Plumpy. So right about now, Medz Boss also made another post. Me I go show the people him that as well. So Medz Boss posted this. Two person holding a AK in the shadows. And the man write the caption, darkness. People, this can also be a new song coming or a new music video or something we have to do with music. Nobody feels say Medz Boss I tell you say yo, darkness are going to rain down on the 6 them. No, this can probably be a music video or something in the making. Cause you don't know so we have to think positiveness all the time. And a lyrical war we support, not the physical war. So right about now, me I say big up all of the Trinidad artists them. Big up everybody where do the music in a Trinidad. Una just need to do the right thing and push out Trinidad dancehall to the world. So right about now, people, we are gonna move on to dancehall artist Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel rush the TikTokers them.
As a nation, I have to tell you now what I'm going. My fiancé pregnant right now. But the bad mind people them a carry the belly.
So people, this is what dancehall artist Vybz Kartel have to say. The man posted this on his Instagram story. To all of the waste people them where a send message and a call up Vybz Kartel name on TikTok and IG. This is my first and the last response. Uno look pop down, poverty, striking, hungry, half naked and frustrated. And me make nothing na go on for uno. Uno just naturally born worthless. All some old boy and old girl when me see a look a hype, it is too late for uno. Uno gone die broke and unhappy with not even a piss pot for leave uno descendants. Sorry, not sorry. Then Vybz Kartel continue. Done with uno now. Uno go SYM. Basically, the man I tell you go S out your mother. Then him use him popular style, I'm out. So people, that is what Vybz Kartel have to say. Vybz Kartel will let you know that uno pan TikTok, uno worthless, uno not come out to nothing because uno reach certain age and uno still a keep up the buckery. People, the people them over TikTok are rush Vybz Kartel wicked. Most of the people them a say Vybz Kartel turn one burner, Vybz Kartel this, Vybz Kartel that. So I eat Vybz Kartel I let them know. Say everybody pan TikTok where I call up him name, uno bill. Remember Vybz Kartel that uno will never reach the level of fame as Vybz Kartel. No jokes about it.
Yo, you know what I say? There's a man at prison paint this. About 4 or 5 months before me left, me buy the painting here. Gate Bob Marley, the legend. Yeah, man. Unch paint it, a youth a GP in here, Unch. Unch, big up yourself, people. Unch is one of the most talented man me ever know. And one of the biggest can artists me ever know at the same time. You know that man there? Yeah, man, I wouldn't that. But anyway, I even paint this. Put it right side of my silver record for the UK. I don't know, I don't gold record up on my head and I give it the whole of them. My mother get couple, I think my sister get one. Wifey get one. Yes, see them, I heard you. But yeah, man. See it? Oh.
So right there, people, Vybz Kartel showing that painting to show and say enough talented youths they behind the bars. Yeah, man, I would love for the system put some organization in place so when them youth get released after them sentence, them can have something for do. You see me? You have to have real talent for pull off a work like that. For pull off a art like that, you have to have real talent, people. And I hit Vybz Kartel I let you know say yo, that you the upper GP we do the painting are one of the most talented youth him ever buck up on. So right about now, people, what you think about this? What you think about Vybz Kartel highlighting that there are talented youths behind the bars as well? Remember, I think them did say Jack your boss from prison too, you know. So enough youth they behind the bars we just end up in a some unfortunate situation where them not get to showcase them real talent to the world, and Vybz Kartel did a one of them because Vybz Kartel get trapped for 13 years as well. So people, remember, like up the video, share up the video. Until next time, I'm out.
You don't know, it's your boy M the R out of England. Right now we are representing for ASAP BG. Baddest thing on the internet, yeah, me tell ya. Boot it up.
Big bomber class me for busting on me head. A sexy gal say she want to give me head. When me fuck pussy turn red.